Hey, functions in trig. Let's see. Let's look at problem number 2 in our Blizzard Bag packet, due April 7th, something like that. So I have to figure out how you're going to turn this in since we are not going to be meeting. So I'm waiting for the district to get back with me to figure out how we're going to handle this, because, I mean, we've got to give out some grades somehow, right? You guys can do this stuff. Anyways, problem number 2 says, how many numbers, here we are, problem number 2, how many numbers between 1 and 100 inclusive means it includes 1 and 100. So if you said, like, between 1 and 100, all the numbers that are in between would be like, 2 to 99. And just to be clear that we also want to include the 1 and the 100, we say, inclusive. So how many numbers between x, or how many numbers x, so how many numbers between 1 and 100, inclusive, including 1 and 100, have the property that x squared plus x cubed is a perfect square. Okay? So we take every number between 1 and 100, we'll square it, we'll cube it, we'll add them together and see if we get a perfect square. So let's take a look. So I have, see, I've got x squared, and I've got x cubed. Now I'll make a little chart here. We'll start with 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 cubed is 1. Equals 2. Is 2 a perfect square? Nope. Let's see. 2. 2 squared is 4. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. 3 2's multiplied together. That's 8. That's 12. Is that a perfect square? Nope. Let's try 3. Let's see. 3 squared is 9. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3. That's 27. 9 and 27 is 36. Oh, hey. Check. That one is. So 3 down, 3 to go. No, 3 down, like 97 to go. What am I talking about? All right, so you can check every single one. That's one way to do it. That would be what in mathematics we call the brute force approach. If you had like an Excel sheet, that'd be a super easy thing to do. Right? You just program in a little formula, tell it what to do. But if you don't have an Excel sheet and you want to take that brute force approach, you're just going to have to go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. Right? Keep on going. Or, alternatively, right, if I wanted to go all the way down to 100, right, 100 squared, oh my goodness, man, 100 squared is 10,000. And 100 cubed is 1,000,000, right? I think so, right? 10,000 times another 100 would be 100,000, 1,000,000, right? And then that is 1, 0. No, what am I doing here? 1, 0, 1. Oh, wait a minute. I'm trying to write numbers out here. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1,010,000, which I'm pretty certain is not a square number. But there's only so many square numbers in between, 3 and that. You could list those all out. Figure out which ones might be that sounds like a lot of work too. I don't know. Seems like there ought to be some sort of a shortcut. But there is a way you can do it. I can just list, right? 1 to 100. Or maybe there's some sort of shortcut trick. Or you could bust out your Excel sheet and figure that one out. Okay? All right. Good luck.